नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहिए। माई सेल्फ जेवियन मिस्टर केल नागर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटनरी साइंस एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वोमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Student, I will prepare this lecture for program BSc Agriculture Honors 6M. My subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetables. Student, we will discuss about importance of fruits and vegetables. There are harvest. Their harvest is a specific and the single deliberated action to separate the food stock with or without non-edible portion from the growth medium. Example: plucking of fruit, vegetables, reaping of cereals, and lifting of tubers or roots from soils, etc. What is the post harvest? क्या होता है post harvest? All the succeeding action after harvest are the defined as post harvest techniques. From this period of time, all action is entered the process is preparation for final consumption. Example: pre-cooling, cleaning and washing, timing, sorting, curing, grading, waxing, chemical treatment, packaging, transportation, and last storage, ripening and distribution. Then the discuss the extending the post-harvest life of horticulture produce require knowledge of all the factors that can lead to loss of quality or generation of unsavable materials. The field of study that adds and adds to and use the knowledge in order to develop able and effect technology that they minimize as the rate of the destruction is known as post-harvest technology. Post-harvest shelf life. What is the first post-harvest shelf life? जो पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट के जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं उसके बाद जो पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट के फ्रूट्स को कैसे हम उसकी सेल्फ लाइफ को इंक्रीज करते हैं. क्या होता है इसका? वंस हार्वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस आर द सब्जेक्ट टू आर द एक्शन प्रोसेस ऑफ senescence. Numerous biochemical process continues change the original composition of the produce until it become the unmarketable. The period during which consumption is considered acceptable is defined as the time of post-harvest shelf life. The post-harvest shelf life is a typically determined objective method like overall appearance, taste, flavors, and texture of the commodity. This method usually includes the combination of sensory, biochemicals, mechanical, and culinary, optical, and measurements. Post-harvest physiology. What is the post-harvest physiology? And define these. Post-harvest physiology is a scientific study of the physiology of living plant tissue after they have been denied further nutrition by the picking or harvest. It has the direct application to post-harvest handling in establishing the storage and the transport condition, the prolonged shelf life. Importance of post-harvest technology in horticulture crops. That is, fresh fruits and the vegetables have been part of human diet since the dawn of the history. The symmetrical nutrient value of the some fruits and vegetables are recognized in early 17th century in England. One example is the edible ability of the citrus fruit or cure scurry, a disease wide spread among novel professionals. An example of the importance of field of post-harvest handling is the discovery the ripening of fruits can be delayed and thus the storage prolonged by preventing fruit tissue restoration, the knowledge of the fundamental principle and mechanism of respiration, leading to post-harvest storage techniques such as the cold storage, gases storage, and waxy skin coating. Another well-known example is the finding the ripening might be through or by treatment with ethylene. There are fruit and vegetable are the being rich in vitamins and minerals known as the protective foods. Due to their high nutritive value ready, available and begin inexpensive, they make significantly distribution to human well-being, realizing the worth of fruit and vegetable in human health. ICR means ICM ICMR recognized consumption of 120 gram fruits and 180 gram of vegetable per capita per day requirement of human diets. There are first point fruit and vegetable are the rich in the ascorbic acid which are have beneficial effect of earth healing and the antioxidant. Dietary source of vitamin C is essential since human begin the lack in the ability of sanitize it. Some fruits and vegetables are the extent source of beta carotenes, means proteins, provitamins A, which is the essential for a maintenance of eyes health, and folic acid which prevent anemia. And third point, these also prevent generative disease which is preventing the peoples with the sedentary lifestyle, concern about the obesity and the coronary heart disease have led to reduced level of fat intake. Antioxidant, phenolic compounds and dietary fiber and are considered to be beneficial in reducing risk of various cancers. Final, many fruits and vegetables have the nutraceutical properties. And discuss fruit and vegetables providing variety in the dietary through difference in color, shapes, taste, aroma, and texture that distinguish from the other major food group of grains, meats, and dairy fruit products. Sensory appeal of fruits and vegetables is non-confined to consumptions but also has market value. Diversity in their colors and shapes is used by traders in arranging product display to attract potential purchasers, and chips have traditional use of fruit vegetable to enhance the attractiveness of prepared dish or table presentations to adornment display, and fruit and vegetable carvings have become an arts. And these ornamental providing sensory pleasure and sanitary serenity divert from color, shapes, and aroma or individual spices, garden plant, cut flowers, foliage, and flowering plants increasingly using the extrude and extrude decorations. Considerable commercially opportunity arise in their role of social, religious, economic, ceremony, and specific greeting occasion such as the festivals, Valentine days, and other occasions. In India, about more than 19 type of individual fruit or vegetable are the being produced to utilize its various agroclimates condition. India have now the emerged as the large producer of fruit, relegating Brazil and second large producer of vegetable next to China. Thank you very much.